What I can do is just delete this one, the whole thing. And the reason why I removed this student is because she's not in my roster. So when I put these grades in PowerSchool, it will not work. Okay, so this is my first period, and then I will go to this, and I will paste as a plain text everything. Okay, so this is what I have. I save the changes, and then I go to my PowerSchool. This is the first period. This is the first period. I go to the first period. I have the assignments so far for the cycle number 4 and the bell ringer for the session 11. Okay, and then I just go to this little icon and I select import scores. I browse to the file. The format should be CSV, which is comma separated values. Don't select this, don't select that. Okay, so just like that without these selections, just browse the files, just browse those files, and then you will go straight. Okay, here my file starts with B, so it's bell ringer grades. And remember to keep this format for this file, which is the extension is .csv. Okay, so I click next. I wait. It's not necessary that I click next several times. PowerSchool, as you know, is kind of slow. It depends on the demand that some teachers are, maybe many teachers are not using at this time, so it could be faster. Or in the opposite case, when all the teachers want to use it at the same time, it's super, super slow. Okay, so let's be, okay, those 17s will be imported. The number, the ID and the score are not being imported, so just click here. If you see nothing here, that is because one of the IDs is wrong, or one of the kids put a different period. But if it's something like that, that means that you are good to go. Okay. And those kids, when they see those zeros, most of them this period is super good. So when they realize about those zeros, they will immediately go to correct this. Okay. So this is how I do it. And now if I go to the score sheet, I have, as you can see, the first grade for this 4th cycle. Okay, so this is something that works for me using Google Forms. I send those to Google Sheets, so those answers with all the information needed, and then I can create this file in Excel, Microsoft Excel, which is a comma separated value, and then I can import that using the same method. This method works very good, especially when you have the right ID, because the kids usually have mistakes with the ID. So now you can extract the ID from their email address. Okay. If you have any question, please let me know. You know that I am at your service.